Hi guys, thank you for joining. Hi. Hi you guys. I'm just gonna give it, excuse me, a couple more minutes for a few more people to join and then we'll go ahead and get started. Hi. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm doing well. Okay, I think we're going to go ahead and get started. My name is Eureka and I run the My Cozy Corner account. And Food52 has teamed up with Anthropologie to bring holidaying from home. And I am going to show you this evening how I decorate my mantle for the holidays using Anthropologie's beautiful pieces. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The first piece I'm going to bring to you is this beautiful, if you guys can see this, there we go, this beautiful metallic garland. I love the detail on the stars, so pretty. So we're just going to, I'm going to go ahead and add this to the front of the mantle. Sorry, one of my earbuds fell out. Okay, and I'm not using anything special to hold this up. I'm just using the regular command hooks that you can buy from any store. There we go. Straighten these out over here. There we go. Okay, and when I'm decorating my mantle, I like to add a little bit of greenery. I'm hoping you guys can hear me okay. Please let me know if you're unable to hear me. Okay, so I'm going to add the greenery. I'm going to add a faux cedar garland. Now this garland I've had for a really long time, so you would definitely want to check out Anthropologie's holiday garland selection. They have a beautiful selection of garlands. They actually have a rosemary garland that I've been eyeing myself. And I never thought about adding rosemary to my holiday decor until I saw it on their website, and I feel like I have to have it. Okay, and I drape it on the side just for a little drama. I like to drape my garland on the side right there. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, definitely check out Anthropologie's rosemary garland, or all of their garlands are beautiful. The rosemary was just so unique to me, and it's very light and airy, so it's a really nice touch. My second piece that I am in love with, anyone who follows me know that I am obsessed with anything that has pom-poms or tassels on it. I love the gold detail there on the large ball, so I'm going to go ahead and add this to what we already have going on here. And I keep losing this earbud, so bear with me. Also, someone decided that I was only going to get to be 5'5", so I'm having a hard time seeing the top of this mantle. Okay, so I'm just going to drape this. I'll swag it just a little bit in the middle, and then I'll just go ahead and drape it on the side and blend it in with the garland so that it adds a little bit of texture. And I'll just tuck our loops here. And then if it hangs too much, which it looks like it's hanging a little bit too much, I'll just even it out in the middle. Okay, there we go. Looks like we got it. Okay, that is my favorite piece. My next piece is I like to layer my greenery just to give it some texture. So I'll go ahead and I will add the faux eucalyptus to the top of it here. and just work that in. It's not long enough to swag on the end, but that's okay because I just want the variation and the greenery so that we have some more texture. These, let me show you there. I can't wait to share these. These are little stocking hangers, and they look like the globes. These remind me of when I was little. I knew when these came out that it was Christmas, the snow globes. So these are a definite must-have. This look can only be achieved with Anthropologie pieces. So that is the deer. I'm gonna leave that here. This is the Christmas tree. Super cute. So I'll just nest that in the middle there. And then this is a Christmas tree in the gold, which I think is so adorable. And then I'll just go ahead and mix the greenery in between those stocking hangers so it can look like it's supposed to be there. It doesn't stand out too much. There we go. Okay, and then we're ready to add our stockings. And these stockings are old. Again, I would check out Anthropologie's stocking selection. They have beautiful stockings. They have so much texture. They have cream and all different colors. Really, really pretty. I would definitely check them out. So I'll go ahead and add these stockings here. And I'm just gonna slide them underneath the pom-pom garland. Adding more texture. Like that. Okay, and then we are going to add another layer of faux greenery to the top. And the reason why I do so many layers is because of, like I was saying earlier, the variation. I like to add a variation to the greenery, and also I love to, I like it to look thick and really full, and so that's why I add so many of these garlands here. There we go, and I'm just gonna spread this out just to mix it a little bit. Okay, and for those of you who are just joining us, I'm going to reintroduce myself. My name is Eureka, and I run the My Cozy Corner account. Food52 has teamed up with Anthropologie to bring to you holidaying at home. So what I've done is I have added the metallic garland, the metallic star garland here to the bottom, which is a beautiful Anthropologie piece. And I've added this wool ball garland here, and I love the detail on that. And then I've added these beautiful snow globe stocking hangers, and I'll get close-ups for you guys towards the end here so you can kind of see more of what they have. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a little more fluffing just to make it look nice and thick up top. And then I like to add, and these I literally grabbed out of my backyard. So I like to bring nature inside, and it's easy and it's free. So I'll go ahead and add these over here to the side. Again, just for more texture, and then just so it has kind of an outdoorsy look. I like that look, especially with the garland. I'm just gonna try to place those to where there we go. It can be seen. Okay, and that is it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn the camera around so that you guys can get a close-up of all of Anthropologie's beautiful pieces that I've used here on the mantle. So give me just a second. Oh, well, here. We'll just do it like this. So here we have that beautiful metallic garland there. And then we have this the faux cedar garlands. I used 3. And then we have these beautiful snow globes, stocking hangers as well. And then we have this beautiful wool pom-pom garland, all from Anthropologie. So you guys definitely check them out. They have beautiful holiday decor, and I'm thankful that you guys have joined us this evening. Thank you, Anthropologie. Thank you, Food52. And thank you guys for joining again, and you have a nice night.